Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send instant invitation in Discord to any people or your friends. So let's go to Discord first. Log into Discord account. Okay. So after login, if you want to send invitation to any server or any group, go to that group or server. Then you can see here. Sorry, hold on. Okay, you can see here general, right? Just right click of your mouse in general option and you will find invite people. Click on invite people, then you can see all of your friends here. Just click on invite here and it will invitation will be sent to that specific person. Or if you want to select this link, copy this link and you can use this link to invitation to your friends for any group or any person directly like this. I'm choosing this group. I'm pasting my invitation link here and click and press enter. See, invitation link has sent. If someone want to join, just click here join. Then he will be our member. So guys, this is how you can send invitation link directly or invite people directly in Discord. So guys, if you find this very helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.